It was back looking just about the way it looks now. Now, out here, like most of the places around,
so here you can see it's round 2, they're calling it, of the blizzard of 96. January 12th, it's almost 9 o'clock now. We've already had 4 inches this morning here in Centralville.
That's why it started this morning. I don't know how much this is, but it just keeps coming down. We got a police officer, Steve Harris, who came by through here. The police officers, what they basically did is they had a 4-wheel drive.
You can see we're starting to get it. Some new additions to our mound of snow here.
City Hall, he's going to try to get over to us. As you can see, getting ain't good. You know what I'm saying? So it might take him a while. We actually told about 10 minutes ago to try to make his way on up here, but like you see, it's just brutal around here. I was listening to Tom saying that a lot of the heavy stuff is going to come down, I guess, around till noon. And since, boy, I'll bet 7 o'clock this morning, it's been just like you see out here. I mean, it's been coming down big flakes all morning. Here,
there you go. You can see now it's still coming down pretty good.
Around here, Steve, perfect time. Watch it out. We're traipsing through the snow here. Steve, how was the ride over? As bad as I've been telling everybody? It's pretty slow. What are your plans? Police department.
And you hear some banging. It's the lens hitting the window, the door pane, the window pane on the door, whatever that's called.
The county has some that the officers are using, as well as some of the officers. A little bit earlier, the goal's been just terrible. You're placing yourselves in one spot.
We're trying to strategically locate ourselves throughout the county according to what sector that we work.
And Channel 4 is giving us continuing coverage here. Look at that stupid, for effect, false church government. Huh. Idiots.
Thanks for responding to my call. I'll see you later. You'll probably be heading back over there.
Oops, too much of a mess there. Better zoom back in.
Just join in a little bit. We'll keep our eye out for the pizza guy, too.
Okay. Okay. Thanks very much, Jess. Just a couple of seconds. Doug McCoy is.
Oh, look at it. Oh, God.
And we'll be back at.
And here we are in the front yard. You can see the Clausen's house and the snow coming down, you know, moderately heavy. And the neighborhood once again is covered with a beautiful coating of snow. There's the Honda, Toyota. You can hear a plane coming over. Dallas Airport is still has one runway open. National Airport is closed again. They're expecting it to be open around noon. And here we see sort of the western side of our home, northwestern. I'm at the wide angle, you can see more, but you can't see the intensity of the snow. If I zoom in here, you can see how much heavier the snow really is than it appears on wide angle. Okay, here we are in the backyard. You may think that this is a white fade, but it's not. This is actually our backyard. If you don't believe me, I'll just sort of go up here a little bit, and there we can start to see the horizon. Now the camera can start to figure out where to focus with any kind of luck. Yes. I can't stabilize myself. Oops, sorry about that. There, has that. Don't see a whole lot of people out there moving around. No deer and nothing else, huh? There's our old grill. Weathering the storm, we hope. We'll find out in the spring, I guess. Just watch just a few more minutes here before we shut down. And the snow coming down against the trees. Okay. Here we are. You can see the snow blowing around a little bit. Still coming down pretty heavily, although it's now, what, almost 11. Somewhere out there in the tree, I just saw a squirrel, but now I don't see where he went. Oops. Get a little snow on our lands, it looks like. Let's see if we can... Further out here without breaking our necks. There's Johnson's deck. Oh God. I don't know if you can see, but, well, it's melted now, but there was a little, I stuck my head out the window and got two snow on it. Also, you can probably see in the background the snow coming in through the window. I'm not sure what we're focusing on right now. I don't know how to do a manual focus. And the scene in the front yard again. See the snow still coming down. There's someone venturing out. Let's see how well they do. A four-wheel driver. He's making it. You guys over here, the wind picking up a little bit, so I'm blowing in the house now, so I just shut the window. Here's an enterprising neighbor up the street, fighting a losing battle, it looks like. We are out back again. was blowing a little stronger before, now it's backed off. Not so strong. Well, the bird just went by. A few are still flying. I think the neighborhood kids are getting ready to do some sledding. There's one over there. Let's see what he's up to. No, he's shoveling. Some other on the other side where I guess they went back and went somewhere else. But you can see they have a pretty good slope over here. If we can, it starts up there and goes, and it goes, like so, I guess. Well, end of the tape. Well, there they are. I don't know if they have any tape left. Can't see much, but trouble, I was zooming in and out. I know it's not real professional, but
one
best we can do.
person who got there on Tuesday got mandoed until 10:15 at night too.
Oops. Looks like it's tapering off quite a bit here. You can see here. Oops, now you can see the screen effect. Whatever good that's worth. So that's enough for today, I guess. It's pretty much ending now. Let's see what time it is. There we go. 11:07, January 12, 1996.